red looks like gold black.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, because
Real dark red. Ooh, looks like blood in there. No, it's not. Well, I know it's not. It's food coloring. So what are we doing? Painting this here birdie house, huh? Cool, cool. A green roof. Blue. And then blue in the front by the bird door.
Yep.
And then red on the bottom, huh?
Yep.
That'll be cool.
That's why I choose the red. I said red here on the bottom.
Okay, well, let's go mix up some paint then. Or some food coloring, I should say.
Gonna paint the whole roof green. Oh yeah. That'll work out pretty good. I have to hold on to this cup for you to make it easier. Oh yeah, that's gonna work out real nice, huh?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Very good. Oop. That's okay, because the red will go over the top of the green.
I'm getting green on this one.
Yeah, that's okay. The red will go over the top of it, and you won't see it very much. Make sure you start up at the top of the roof. Way up top, and then you'll have less drips. Here, let's get a napkin. And that way you can soak up some of that stuff for you.
It looks like red here.
Yeah, that's because of the color of the wood, huh? Yeah, it'll look cool, though.
Now what do I do? Oh, there's 2 more.
You keep painting. That's what you do.
There's more green. Oh, sorry, not paint. Oh, green now. What?
All green?
Yeah.
Should we go over it one more time?
No.
Yeah, let's go over it one more time so it gets all them spots right there. There you go. Nice. Yep. Get that one. There's that one. Ooh, yeah, there you go. Get that spot. Nice. Cool, cool. Yeah, go over that whole one. That whole thing.
Done.
Go over the whole thing again.
Why?
Look at how much darker green it's turning. That looks cool.
Oh my gosh.
What do you mean, oh my gosh? Do you want to paint every other one of these green and then every other one blue? Or should we paint them all blue?
Oh, I like them all blue.
Or should we paint them blue and red?
I think we should make them blue.
Huh?
Yeah, the whole thing blue.
Make the whole thing blue and then the bottom red? Okay, so I suppose we better do the blue first and then we'll do the red.
No, okay. Oh, and I use
So
red
in
to
case you get some on the bottom, then the red will go over the top of most of it. You don't need to make so much this time. I used up half a bottle last time. I'm like, oh no. Oh, barely any. I thought I used like half a bottle. Whoa, the blue I used. Huh? Guess this way, but look at that. Wow. That's a pretty blue, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, bloopers. Here's blue. Let's squeeze the green out of the brush real good. Come on, dude. You're almost done. Can't quit. Can't stall out in the middle of your project. I'll hold it. Hey, let's lay it like that. There you go. Now paint it blue. Come on, get your brush. Are you done? Well, if you want Grandpa to paint some, Grandpa would like to paint a little bit too, I guess. Whoa, whoa, this is going to be such a sick color. Awesome. Look at that. Huh? Ooh, that is a beautiful, pretty blue.
That's a bright blue.
Yeah, like a turquoise almost.
Yeah, and sounds like tan.
Huh? I love it.
Yeah, it's like tan.
Oh, that looks very nice. Heck yeah. Go that side. You want to paint some more on it now?
No.
Huh?
No, that's fine.
Are you done? Done?
Yeah, that's fine.
I know you are. I'm sorry. I don't think you feel very good, huh? I don't think tiredness would make you stay away from this before. Must not feel good. Okay, Grandpa will finish it up. Yeah, you must not feel good. Oh, darn it, girls. My grandson is getting sick, I think. Well, I guess Grandpa will wait with the peace sign and the red on the birdhouse. How's that sound? You want Grandpa to wait for you? Okay, we'll do that.